Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize lead syncing with follow-up boss, detailed guide step by step clearly. To authorize lead syncing with follow-up boss, start by logging into your follow-up boss account. Navigate to the settings by clicking on your profile picture in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. In the Settings menu, look for Integrations and click on it. Locate the option for Lead Sync or any related integration features. Select the integration you wish to authorize, such as your CRM or lead source. Follow the prompts to connect the service to your follow-up boss account. You may be asked to log in to the external service if you haven't already. Enter your credentials for the integration service and click Authorize or Connect. After successfully logging in, return to the follow-up boss. You should see a confirmation message indicating that the integration is authorized. Next, configure any specific settings for lead syncing according to your preferences. Make sure to specify which leads you want to sync and any relevant filters. Save your changes to ensure the settings are applied. Test the integration by creating a new lead in the external service. Check your follow-up boss account to confirm the lead appears there. If the lead syncs successfully, you have completed the authorization process. If you encounter issues, retrace your steps and verify your login credentials. For further assistance, consult the follow-up boss support documentation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.